Hey guys! Hey, so, I know, I'm the famous one of this place. So, today we're gonna be making food! I'm gonna be a chef today. I'm gonna be a good chef. I don't know what to cook first, but I think I'll cook some eggs. Yeah, let's do that! Let's cook some eggs with this pan. I don't know how to cook, so we're gonna figure this out together, guys. Let's see, what do we need? We need some eggs. No. Where are the eggs at? Bro, where are the eggs? Oh, the guys, they're back here already. Literally right there. How can I not see that? I should grab this. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this. Okay. Now, all we have to do is cook it. Let's go do that. So first, we just gotta. Ah, there we go. Is that how you cook an egg? I feel like this is wrong. Cook! Cook! I wanted this thing to cook! It didn't cook! God. Now I have to do some things! Stupid thing. I told you to cook and you wouldn't cook. I told you to cook! Give me. I told you to cook! Failed. I think we're just gonna go in this pantry and look for some food, some free food. What do we got? What's this? Nah. We make cereal, guys. What kind of cereal? It looks like bunny turds. Okay, nothing. Wait, actually, hold on for a second. I'm just gonna grab this. And we're gonna take this down. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna take this down. We're in the pantry again. What do we have? What do we have? We got just a bunch of stuff. Dude, I want to cook. I'm hungry. Wait. Obviously, the freezer. We got burgers. Oh, burgers. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna grab some burgers in here. I'm just gonna grab the burgers. Oh, there we go. We're gonna make some hamburgers. Come out! I said come out! Okay, we got him up. Here we got one. Just stuff. Oh my, got jam, some mysterious sauce, a lemon, and then obviously the hamburgers. Obviously the buns. The buns, we're gonna use these. Here we go. Now all we need is the actual pattern. Use this. There we go. I'm just gonna put these on there too. You know, maybe we should open them before we. I'm just gonna use one. Ooh, peppers! I'm gonna use some peppers actually. Alright, I'm just gonna make this abomination. I made my abomination. I made my beautiful hamburger, and I'm just gonna grab this and we're just gonna. I'm just gonna put this on here. Alright, you know what? That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's beautiful, beautiful. We're just gonna put this on here. There we go. Now that's a hamburger. Look at that. That's a hamburger. That's a beautiful hamburger. We're gonna go eat this outside too. Let's go. Take this outside real quick. Alright, hang on. I'm just gonna. Outside today, we're gonna be eating a beautiful hamburger that I made. It's delicious. It's the most beautiful hamburger in the world. We're gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat this. This is gonna be delicious too. This is gonna be so good. Like I can't compliment how much. Stupid trash can! It was in my way. I lost my hamburger. I worked so hard on that too. Damn it! Man, that hamburger was so good. It's gonna taste so good. It would have been delicious if I had it. Ow! I don't know what else to do, so then we're gonna cook something on the pan then. Ooh, this thing seems bouncy. Let me bounce on it. Ugh, what happened? What the? Ah! I tried cooking and I failed miserably. I thought I was gonna be able to cook. I really thought I was gonna be able to cook, but I couldn't. Now I'm sad. I didn't even get to eat my hamburger, bro. This sucks. What was that mean?